Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Fire TV stick not working. Alright, let's begin. If your Fire TV stick is not working, the first thing I recommend is restarting it properly. On your Fire TV remote, press and hold the select or OK button and the play and pause button at the same time. Hold both buttons together until you see a message on the screen saying your Fire TV stick is powering off. The screen will go black and the device will reboot. Once it turns back on, check if the issue is fixed. If the problem continues, the next step is to unplug your Fire TV stick. Remove it from the TV's HDMI port and also unplug the power cable. Leave it unplugged for about 30 seconds to 1 minute so it fully powers down. After that, plug the power cable back in and reconnect the Fire TV stick to your TV. If you see a black screen, try plugging the Fire TV stick directly into the TV instead of using an HDMI extender, and use a wall power adapter instead of a TV USB port. If none of these steps work, you can try a factory reset. From the home screen, go to Settings, select My Fire TV, then choose Reset to Factory Defaults. This will erase all data and may fix the issue, so that's basically how you can fix Fire TV stick not working. That's it for this video. Thanks!